Okay, so first I'm gonna start off by showing you guys how I cornrow. So what I'm gonna do now is just I'm gonna take out the braid first. Um, okay, so now that I have the braid out, we're gonna start with the braid. So what I usually do is I grab a small section on the very top, and then with that small section, I'm gonna split it into three. So 1, 2, 3. So now that I have my 3 sections, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the middle section. I'm gonna take the left section and bring it under the middle section and over the right, as so. And then I'm gonna take the right section and bring it under the middle section, as so. Now I'm going to take the left section and I'm going to take some here and add it to the left section. Then I'm going to take the middle section and bring it over the middle. Bring it over the right section. Now as you can see, the hair is attached to the head, and you're just going to keep doing the same pattern. You're going to take the middle section and bring it over the left, and bring the left, and as I'm bringing the left over to the right side, the right section, I'm going to take here as well. And then I'm going to take the middle section and bring it over the left. Then I'm going to add here to the left section and bring it over the right. And as you're cornrowing, you want to like kind of add here to every section you bring over. But personally for me, it all depends. Sometimes I don't adhere to certain sections when I bring it over. But it's great if you do. So yeah, you're just gonna keep doing that all the way down. And guys, if you're a beginner, just go really slow. My braid is not very neat because I'm going very fast, but the slower, the more precise it's gonna look, and the more neater it's gonna look. You know, just finish off the braid with just a regular braid. And that's how you do cornrow.